Good morning. So this new drive-through testing site is going to be open around 11 o'clock this morning, so in just about 2 hours at this point. And this is located right in parking lot 3, which is just off of that main road leading up to the airport. Now you can see that right behind me, the tents are set up. They are ready to go for the people coming through here. And if you take a walk with me this way, you can see we've already got cars in line. We've got about 4 as far as I can see, but they are out here early again, waiting to get their tests. Now this testing site will be open daily from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. And this new site is a partnership between Hartford Healthcare and the Connecticut Airport Authority. Now, people do not need to pre-register, and a doctor's note is also not required to use this drive-through testing site. And you can expect results within 72 hours, and billing for the test is handled through people's insurance plans, but insurance is not required to get a test. Now, this new testing site will open in addition to the one that's inside the airport around the baggage claim area. But unlike that one, this drive-through site will be available not only to travelers, but also anyone in the community. And we did speak with Dr. Jim Cardon of Hartford Healthcare just a few minutes ago, who said this new site will help meet the surge in demand they are seeing right now. Take a listen to that.
We're approaching now almost 500,000 tests since we started our testing program back in March. We've done a quarter of those tests in just the last 4 weeks, so that the increased demand has been profound. As you know, what we've tried to do is we're increasing our capacity, adding more, moving the sites, to give us more ability to get more cars through.
And just to recap the policy here a little bit, anyone traveling from a state on Connecticut's travel advisory must self-quarantine for 14 days. Of course, there are some exceptions here, and people can be exempted from the quarantine if they've been tested 72 hours before arriving in Connecticut or any time after arriving in the state. And you can see right here on your screen the map showing all of those locations that are on that quarantine list. 47 states and territories are on that list right now, so you definitely want to check that out before traveling. And of course, that test result must come back negative. And very important to note here that the CDC stresses that a negative test does not mean that you were not exposed to COVID-19 or that you will not develop COVID-19. So again, the testing site here at Bradley is going to be open from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. daily. We're live in Windsor Locks. I'm Angelo Bavaro, Fox 61 News.